Good morning. As part of the introduction types of videos, this one is for the next sort of set of videos. So the videos that you're going to see over the next 5 days, and I'm going to put one a day up, are from our travels, and they're actually from in May. So they're from traveling across, I think they might be from just before we hit the Manitoba-Ontario border, but they could be in Ontario yet still. I didn't look closely at what they are, I just know they're there and they need to go up. So I'm going to upload them one at a time today. And in case you haven't guessed, we do have our own internet now. Things are improved immensely for us right now. Gary's actually printing on the 3D printer. We had breakfast cooked on our little minis, our Dash minis, which had eggs this morning, which is really nice without having to pull out the big fry pan and all that. And toast. We had toast from the toaster. Yeah, it is good. It was good. And coffee in my favorite mug. Yeah, it's a good day. It's a good day. It's a little cloudy today, which is not a bad thing. We don't really care. One little thing of fuel in the generator, it lasts hours and hours. So it's not costing us a huge amount of money. It costs us somewhere around $12 to fill up our little tiny gas can. And I think we have to fill it up every 2 or 3 days maybe. But yeah, so the next videos, as I said, are going to be travel videos. Enjoy them at your own leisure. Do that with all of these videos. I know yesterday I uploaded a bunch and I've set them up, and there's one coming up on the 27th, which you'll see before this, obviously. But there was 3 I uploaded for one day, because it was a set and I wanted it all kind of done at the same time. So if you see things like that, don't get worried or excited, or or don't like us because we've done it. Just go ahead and watch them whenever you get a chance to. Pause the videos if you can't watch the whole thing, all that sort of stuff. Because that's the beauty of YouTube, is you can pause a video, bookmark it so that you can get back to it, and then go back to it and watch it as you go, kind of thing. But anyway, so I'm going to get these uploaded today, and they will be up the 28th on is when these will come up. So this video will be with one, so there'll be 2 on your first day, because one of them will be this, and then from then on it'll be 1 a day, and they're just travel videos. And there's 5 of them. So from the 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st, and the 1st of July, which is Canada Day here. We're probably going to be in Lethbridge. But we'll do a video on that and tell you what that's all about. Okay, love to you all. Take care, and have a really good day. Bye now.